If you've ever wondered how to know if someone blocked you on Gmail, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the simple signs to look for, what Gmail does and does not tell you, and the best way to test whether your message is being blocked, filtered, or simply ignored. This is a quick but important Gmail tip, especially if you're trying to understand why someone isn't replying. And if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, send a normal email to the person you're trying to reach. Keep the email simple and professional. If the message sends successfully, that usually means Gmail accepted it, and you were probably not blocked in the way people often think about blocking. But here's the important part. A message sending successfully does not always mean the other person will see it right away. It could still be filtered, archived, or sent to spam. So this is only the first clue, not the final answer. Next, check for any bounce back errors. If Gmail returns an error message like address not found, message blocked, or something similar, that usually means there's an issue with the email address, the recipient's mail server, or a restriction on delivery. It does not always mean you were personally blocked. In many cases, these errors point to an invalid address, a disabled mailbox, or spam protection on the receiving end. So if you see a bounce back, read the message carefully instead of assuming it's a block. Also, pay attention to missing replies. This is the biggest thing people notice, but it's also the least reliable sign. Gmail does not notify you if someone blocks your emails, and it does not send you a special alert saying your message was rejected by a person. If your email's sent and you never got a response, that could mean a lot of different things. They may be busy, they may not check that inbox often, or your message may be going to spam or being filtered by their email settings, so missing replies alone are not proof. Now here's one of the best ways to compare results. Try another email address. Send the same type of message from a different Gmail account or another email account you control. If one account seems to get through differently than another, that can help you figure out whether the issue is with your specific email address, the wording of the message, or the recipient's spam filters. This comparison can give you more useful clues than just sending one email and waiting. The key thing to remember is that Gmail does not give you a direct blocked notification like some messaging apps do. So if you're trying to know for sure whether someone blocked you on Gmail, you usually have to look at the full picture. Did the email send? Did it bounce back? Did you get any error? And does another account behave the same way? That combination will tell you much more than guessing from silence alone. If this helped clear things up, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more simple Gmail and email tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.